Let's learn and grow. F. F is for frog. Let's make a colorful tree frog. We will also make a large leaf under it. Now let's color it. Let's start with orange in the eyes and a little bit of red. Light green over here. Now light blue in the side and legs. Orange in the fingers. Light green in the legs. A bit of pink here. Now we will give it a yellow shade. Light green in this large leaf. To make our leaf look better, we will add some dark green for those cool shady spots. Now let's blend it. To finish up, we will add a little shadow right under our frog. Great job! This tree frog is so colorful and bright. It looks like it's ready to hop right off the leaf. Thank you for watching. Check the links in the description for more awesome art. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.